Yo, what is up everybody, and today I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of this Roku SE fast high definition streaming made easy. So, hold on guys, I'm going to take a thumbnail. That should be good. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing and setup. So, when I'm using my well, this is not going to be my primary bots because since I already have the Xiaomi Mi Bots S Android bots as my primary one. But this is gonna be for my family members. So guys, I will probably do a comparison if you guys hit like 10 likes in this video. So yeah, guys. So let's go ahead and open it. Kind of hard to do in one hand. Here we go. Look at this thing. Okay, so that's upside down. Okay, so all you guys can get was you got the box itself, pretty small. Fits in my palm. It fits in my palms really nicely. Hold up. You got this thing in. You got the HDMI, micro USB, and a reset button. Put that to the side. You got the batteries. Two AA batteries or AAA batteries. Okay, so now you got the remote. And oh, before the remote, there's like a little sticker that you can put on, or like something that you can. Oh, it's a sticker. That's cool. Now you got this remote. Hold up, I'll be right back. Now I got the remote. And then there's the cable. Right, we got this little box here, which is gonna bring us a cable, which is a micro USB cable. Put that to the side. I wish there's USB-C for 2020. You know, it's about to be 2021 pretty soon, so now we got HDMI. We got some instructions. Wait. Quick start guide. We don't need that. Everybody knows how to use the Roku. And we got power. And this is so satisfying. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna plug into this monitor. So I'll be right back. Guys, I got these. Okay, look, I got the Roku, okay, language, wireless scan. Okay, I'm not gonna show you guys the Wi-Fi. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the, here you go, connecting. Alright, that's the connection, internet connection. Here you go, getting an update. Update is required, so updating software. Okay, so guys, it is updating right now. I'm trying to give this to my mom because I can't tell you where we're going. No, it's not gonna be in this house. I can't tell you what it's gonna be unless the new video is gonna come out by the end of December. So it's not gonna be in this one about the video that's coming out at the end of December, but it's gonna be on my gaming channel. So make sure you guys subscribe to my gaming channel. So yeah, updating software. Do not turn off your TV or disconnect. Finally, here we go. I'm back. I know you guys can't see the Roku because I already gave it to my mom. I don't mind that because coffee spills sometimes. Anyway, so I gave the Roku to my mom because it's gonna be used to put on just for the road trip for Christmas. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see any other reviews and comparisons on the internet about Roku, look at elsewhere because I don't have a lot of Android boxes out here except Fire Stick, which I don't really use anymore, and I have the Xiaomi, which I might do a comparison with the Google TV once I got it. So maybe if I get a Google TV with Chromecast on it, I will do a comparison with my Xiaomi. So stay tuned. But I don't know when I'm gonna get it. I'm kind of behind. I'm really behind the reviewing marketing part on the Google TV. So yeah, probably gonna do some computers and stuff. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel so that way you guys don't really miss on the Roku box right here. Yeah, I will do comparisons and stuff that I have primarily for myself, not for anybody else I gotta do. So yeah. So see you guys in the next video. Oh, my phone's about to die. Peace out.